Hello, how you doing today?
I'm doing great.
What's good for you today?
I want to try that Volcano combo.
Alright, would you like to drink that?
You got Pepsi Zero?
You do?
I'll take that and maybe some cinnamon twist.
Alright, anything else for you?
That's it.
Hey, Mommy, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Thank you. Let's go find a place to park. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing Taco Bell again. I've seen something on their menu that I've never had. I don't know if it's been out before. The website says it's limited time, but we all know limited time means might be limited time for now. It'll be back later. So I don't know if this has been out before, but it's their Volcano combo. It's got a taco. It's on their Doritos taco shell. I'd hold it up, but it's actually already starting to fall apart. A little disappointed there. And it's got a burrito. And they're both with steak. I'm reading off my screen here. The steak, tomatoes, jalapeno peppers. I'm a little scared of that one, and guacamole. That's on both of them. Tacos on the Doritos shell. I'll hold it up for you here shortly. And of course, the burrito is just your standard burrito wrap. If you watch previous videos, you know I love jalapeno flavor. But frankly, I'm a wuss and I don't like a lot of heat. So I don't know what's going to happen here. So wish me luck on that one. So guys, let's get started here. Let me get this package up here. This Taco Bell, you know it's going to be messy, and I'm in my truck, and that's going to be ugly. I don't know how else to do this. Anyway, it's on the Dorito shell. I'm going to try my best to get a bite and not throw cheese everywhere in my truck. There we go. That is it. All right, wish me luck, guys. We're going in for a bite right here. This is the Volcano Taco. Definitely taste the Dorito shell. I'm getting some heat there from the jalapenos. It's not horrible, at least not yet. We'll set this down. I don't really taste the meat. I'm tasting the jalapenos. Definitely got the jalapenos. A lot of lettuce. It's pretty good. It's not super hot. I'm gonna get a drink. You can see I got jalapenos. I got the soft drink. I got a Pepsi Zero, but I brought some backup water just in case I set myself on fire. So, yeah, just in case. Now, let's try this beef burrito. It's got the same ingredients. Steak, tomatoes, jalapenos, and guacamole. Give that a shot. So far, I'm giving everything a thumbs up, so hopefully it's going to go well here too. That's a little different. Yeah. You see that? It just looks like a normal burrito. So, I'm not getting, maybe I haven't bit into a jalapeno yet, but I'm not getting the heat like I did in the taco. So yeah, guys, that's pretty good. I'm not convinced that is a volcano. I guess it is. I'm not getting any heat with that at all. It's good. I'm not getting the flavors. I'm not convinced I even got one. The correct meal. I don't know. If that is the Volcano burrito, it's pretty good. I got no heat at all. I don't see any I don't know what the. I'm not convinced there's jalapenos in there. One more bite, see if I can get a jalapeno. Tomatoes, the cheese. Let me pull that up. Let me pull that up again. It says jalapeno steak. That just looks like burger meat to me. Double beef. Maybe it is burger meat. It says steak though. Unless it's steak burger. I'm not getting any jalapenos. Oh well. I'm gonna feed it. It's still good enough to eat. I'm making a mess in my truck, guys. Guys, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up because it tastes good. I'm not convinced I got the right burrito in this meal. Anyway, I did get a Pepsi Zero. And I got my little cinnamon twist. I always get them when I go to Taco Bell. They're really good. Great little treat. I'll eat them when I finish the rest of it. Wow, guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Certainly fun to make. I'm confused on the burrito. I'm not convinced I got the right one. I was expecting the, not the same flavors, because it doesn't have a Dorito shell, which does change the flavor quite a bit, but I'm not convinced there's a single jalapeno pepper in there, so I might have to revisit that one. But overall, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up because it's tasty. I want to finish this meal, and let me know if you tried the Volcano combo. Is it hot? Is the burrito hot? Because this one is not hot at all. I'm not even getting any jalapeno flavor in there, so I think they screwed me on that one. But that's okay. Guys, thank you as always for joining me. I enjoy doing these little review videos, and I'll keep doing them as long as you're watching them. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.